Andre Dwayne Russell, fondly called Dre Russ, is a Jamaican cricketing sensation whose explosive all-round skills have made him a T20 legend. Born on April 29, 1988, in Kingston, his journey from local talent to global stardom is inspiring. For more on cricket's biggest stars, subscribe for the latest updates. Raised in Kingston, Russell grew up in a supportive family. His parents, particularly his mother, a teacher, initially emphasized academics, but his passion for cricket shone through. At Calabar High School, he excelled in school cricket, laying the foundation for his career. In 2007, at age 19, he made his first-class debut for Jamaica, showcasing his potential as a hard-hitting batsman and fast bowler. His raw power and athleticism quickly set him apart, earning him a spot on the international stage. Russell's international career began with a Test debut against Sri Lanka in 2010, but he found his niche in limited-overs cricket. During the 2011 World Cup, he scored a fiery 49 and took 4 wickets against England, announcing his arrival. He played a pivotal role in West Indies' ICC World T20 victories in 2012 and 2016, cementing his reputation as a clutch performer. As of February 2024, he has played 75 T20s, scoring 955 runs at a strike rate of 163.53 and taking 49 wickets. In ODIs, he has 1,034 runs and 70 wickets across 56 matches. A historic milestone came in 2013 when he became the first bowler to take 4 wickets in 4 consecutive deliveries in a T20 against India A. In the IPL, Russell's impact with Kolkata Knight Riders, KKR, since 2014 has been immense. His 2015 season, 392 runs at a 192 strike rate and 14 wickets, earned him the Most Valuable Player award. Despite a 2017 doping ban for missing tests, he rebounded with a blazing 88 off 36 balls in 2018. By 2025, he has amassed 2,491 runs and 116 wickets in 126 KKR matches, with recent performances showing 95 runs at a 207 strike rate in 2 innings. His contributions helped KKR win 2 IPL titles. Russell's lifestyle reflects his vibrant energy. Married to model Jassim Laura since 2016, they have a daughter, Aaliyah, born in 2020. Living in Kingston, Russell maintains peak fitness at 6 feet 1 inch and 216 pounds, with a rigorous gym routine fueling his on-field explosiveness. His faith and family-oriented values shine through on social media. As of 2025, Russell's net worth is estimated at $16 million, driven by IPL earnings, global T20 contracts, and endorsements with brands like Sansparales Greenlands. His luxurious Kingston home and car collection reflect his success. Despite knee injuries and past controversies, Russell's resilience and flair make him a T20 icon, with ambitions for more titles in 2025 and beyond.